Most construction teams don't switch software because they want something new. They switch because something stops working smoothly on the job site. Here's the truth no one tells you. Fieldwire is strong for field coordination, but in 2026, there are several alternatives that may fit your workflow better depending on how your projects are structured. In this video, you'll learn the best Fieldwire alternatives, what each one is designed for, and how to pick the right tool without wasting time or money. Let's start with one of the most well-known options, Procore. Procore is built for large-scale construction operations. It connects project management, budgeting, document control, and field coordination in one system. A project manager like Alex can track budgets, manage multiple job sites, and control workflows across entire construction portfolios. It is powerful, but it is also complex and requires training. Now here's where it gets interesting. Procore is not just a Fieldwire alternative. It is a full construction operating system. That means it works best for large companies with structured processes and multiple teams. But here's the problem. Smaller contractors often find Procore too heavy. It can feel overwhelming if all you need is simple field communication and task tracking. Now let's look at another strong alternative, PlanGrid, which is now part of Autodesk Construction Cloud. PlanGrid is highly focused on drawings and blueprint collaboration. A site supervisor like Jake can view updated plans instantly, mark changes on drawings, and share updates with the entire team in real time. It is especially useful for teams that deal heavily with design coordination. However, it is less focused on broader task workflows compared to Fieldwire, so it may not fully replace it for day-to-day job tracking. Another popular alternative is Autodesk Construction Cloud. This platform brings together document management, project tracking, design collaboration, and field tools into one ecosystem. It is designed for companies that want everything connected from design to delivery. But there is a trade-off. With more power comes more complexity. Teams often need onboarding time before they can use it efficiently on real projects. So how do you choose the right alternative? If your focus is full project control, budgets, and enterprise-level coordination, Procore is often the strongest option. If your focus is design and blueprint collaboration, Autodesk Construction Cloud is a better fit. If you want simple field coordination but need something different from Fieldwire, PlanGrid-style tools can work well. The key insight most contractors miss is this. The best alternative is not the most advanced tool. It is the one that matches how your crew actually communicates on-site every single day. So instead of asking which platform is best overall, ask which one removes the most confusion from your field operations. That one question will lead you to the right choice much faster than comparing feature lists. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.